Keith Perhack here, founder of SegMetrics. Here's a common advertising problem. In your Meta Ad Manager, you see 100 purchases. In your Google Ad Manager, you see 70 purchases. And when you check your payment processor, you only see 50 purchases. What's going on? This happens all the time. The data reported by your ad platforms doesn't line up with your actual dollars in the bank sales. And you can't see where your sales originated from, so you're not sure which ads and ad platforms are actually working. Most businesses are stuck in this kind of data fog. They have data, but it doesn't line up. SegMetrics solves this. With full funnel tracking, multiple attribution options, and integrations with over 100 ad platforms, CRMs, email providers, and payment processors, SegMetrics lets you accurately see the revenue impact of every ad campaign, ad platform, or any other touchpoint. And you can always pull up the exact contacts, purchases, or events that make up any SegMetrics report, giving you confidence that there's no doubling up or phantom users like you see in other systems. Do you have the total clarity on how your ad campaigns are performing? Find the answer at segmetrics.com.